Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Neha from Where the Vines. If you're watching for the first time, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and I know there's a difference in the video quality because I'm shooting with my phone. You guys have asked me so many times to review about the foundation, best foundation for oily skin type, full coverage foundation. A lot of reviews you have demanded for the foundation, so here I am. First of all guys, मैं कोई भी review तब तक नहीं देती जब तक मैं fully satisfied नहीं होती हूँ उस product से, whether it is good or bad. So I take 15 or 20 days approximately कि मैं test कर सकूँ, try कर सकूँ और फिर मैं review दे सकूँ, because I want my reviews to be on point and I don't want any kind of either a miscommunication और कुछ भी जो आपको नुकसान करे. I don't want that at any point of time. So yeah, to cut that short, today's review video is all about this. Okay, so this is a PAC Cosmetic foundation. Those who are not aware of PAC Cosmetics, they are, I won't say they are newcomers, they are pretty much established. Okay, so I am in shade, talking about this shade, I am in 2.1 shade. I have a yellow undertone. Guys, please, it's very important to understand your undertone. Like, I feel when I apply foundation or when I don't apply even foundation, I feel that there's something yellow. So I feel my skin is, into yellow side more. Please understand your undertone guys. उसके बिना foundation कोई भी pick मत करो, चाहे आपकी skin skin tone के हिसाब से भी क्यों ना हो, because अगर आपके undertone pink है आपने yellow लगाया, so it will end up looking cakey. So this is the first time apply किया था, I was not at all happy and I was like shit यार मेरे मतलब पैसे बर्बाद हो गए. And I was like ठीक है, let me try and build it up, let me try for at least 4 to 5 times, because कुछ फाउंडेशन ऐसे होते हैं जो बाद में खिल के आते हैं. टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक, ये उनमें से एक फाउंडेशन है. आई एम सो हैप्पी विद दिस फाउंडेशन. ट्रस्ट मी, ये फाउंडेशन मैंने ड्राई स्किन पे भी यूज़ किया. आई यूज्ड दिस फाउंडेशन ऑन अ ब्राइडल बिकॉज इट गिव्स अ फुल कवरेज ऑन योर स्किन. आई हैव नो फ्रीकिंग कंप्लेन नाउ. थोड़ा सा बस इसमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इसका पंप वर्क नहीं करता. यू हैव टू इसको खोल के प्रॉपरली आपको यहाँ से यू हैव टू यूज़ इट. दिस इज़ बिट अनटाइडी, बट ठीक है यार, फाउंडेशन अच्छा है एंड कलर पिक भी बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज इसके कहीं पे भी names नहीं लिखे हैं. It's like 2.1, 3.1, 4.1, something like that. So I really had to scroll down all the YouTube channels of the bloggers and everyone, तब जाके मुझे ये शेड समझ में आया. So if you have a same skin type, आप 2.1 के लिए जा सकते हैं. 2.1, yeah, 2.1 के लिए you can go. So this is best applied with sponge, but you can apply with any brush, kabuki brush or foundation brush you want. What else I need to cover in this video? So coming about the price, I feel that it's pretty much good and it gives you a full coverage. It's like a dewy finish to your skin. This is sweat proof also. You can build the coverage you want, so I feel it's a good pick for you guys. So yeah, that's a small review from my end. As I said, the reviews are very important in your life, so I hope that this is very beneficial for you. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to review anything else for you. I will do it for you. I'll see you super soon.